This tutorial walks you through processing individual parts in GridX Connect and getting polished, eBay-ready listings in real time. You will learn how to enter basic part details, understand the different part types available, and view item information effectively. Start by clicking Quick SKU from the menu to open the individual part processing section in GridX Connect. Click here and enter the part number. Click the Condition dropdown and select the appropriate condition of the part you are going to list. Now let's take a closer look at the different part types available in GridX Connect: OEM, aftermarket, and private label, so you know exactly which one to choose when processing your parts. Next, choose your part type. OEM refers to original, genuine parts made by the vehicle manufacturer, for example, Toyota. Go ahead and select OEM, then enter the vehicle make. Vehicle make is required for all part types. Set your selling price in USD and quantity, then hit Process SKU. Next, if you are looking for an aftermarket option, select Aftermarket GridX. This feature is designed for well-known aftermarket or OES brands that are already registered in the GridX system, such as Bosch, Denso, TRW, and so on. Choose Aftermarket GridX, enter the vehicle make, and select your brand from the searchable dropdown. Set your price and quantity, then click Process. A key benefit of Aftermarket GridX type is that you get real, verified images directly from the GridX database. The next option is Private Label. Private label is designed for brands that you, as a seller, own and wish to list, or a brand not available within the GridX database. To proceed, select Private Label, enter the vehicle make and your brand name. Both fields are mandatory. Set your price and quantity, then click Process. In this example, we have selected the original equipment manufacturer, OEM, as the part type we want to list. Click the Price field to update the SKU's price. Fill in the price field with the correct amount, for example $499, to set the SKU's value. Keep in mind, this should be the selling price in USD. Click Process SKU to submit and process the raw part details you have entered. Here is the result. We have successfully processed a SKU. Click View Item to see detailed information about the processed SKU. That's Quick SKU. Enter your part details, let Connect handle the research and enrichment, and go from raw part number to a publish-ready listing in under 30 seconds. List smarter, list faster with GridX Connect. Thank you for watching.